Guys, I'm playing with why is there a giant frog bot? I'm playing with Kringle on Animal Company.
Yay! Don't subscribe to Schlinky. He's the
Shut
bad
up,
neighbor.
bro.
Subscribe to Kringle Animations.
I don't like Kringle Animations.
Where do we go first? I guess I don't know.
I don't know.
Get a backpack.
What does that do, bro?
Let's buy.
I did.
All right, you already have a backpack. Oh wait, come here. We're not gonna do a sewer next because that takes like the longest amount of time to do.
I think that's the one I did with
You never played this game.
well, I was gonna do it with.
Like,
Why did your backpack fart?
go.
Over here!
I don't
I'm
know.
over here!
I'm right here.
I'm scared. What's in this forest? Chat, I'm using my MetaQuest 2, so I only have one hand. I have to like
Alright,
hold the
make
other
sure to
controller.
distract the chicken dog thing that's over here.
There's a chicken dog thing.
Yeah, this thing. Just walk near it and just start running in circles.
What does it do? What do I have to do to
Walk
avoid it?
near it. Grab the egg. Grab the. Hey, chicken! Get the egg! Get the egg!
I got the egg. What do I do now?
I'll get him.
No!
I'll distract.
I can't, bro.
No!
The egg! Bro, this thing is hard.
I almost fell down. Did you die?
Yeah. This game is hard, bro.
I can't
And
hear you, bro.
I dropped the egg, into the abyss. I'm coming back. Alright, I'm coming.
Where's the egg?
It fell into the abyss, so I had to respawn.
Bro.
Nice chicken. Nice chicken.
Please. Hey, you're a nice person, chicken. I know you will never hurt anybody.
No, I'm cooked! I didn't die, but now he's like camping. Okay. I have 2 HP.
Alright, go back to spawn.
Now I'll wait for you.
Or I'm going back.
What are these rocks?
You get the
No. As soon as you died, you were like only like 2 feet away from me when you died. So then he ran right after me.
egg. Okay, walk next to it and just run.
Wait, walk next to it and just run for your life.
Here, take the backpack. Take it. This backpack.
Bro. How do I put it on? Well, how do I put it on?
You just press your thing again. Press it again. When it's on your back.
Oh.
When it's on your back, you press it on your. Okay, it's on your back. Go next to it and just run for your life. Run for your life. Run for your life, bro. When you get next to it. When it starts moving, I'll tell you when to start running. Just go near it.
Hi.
Just go near it.
I'm
Just
too
go near
scared, bro. That thing is.
It. Do it. Just go like next to that toy box.
He's kissing me. He's kissing me.
I got the. What do I do now? Oh no.
I got it. Run.
I got the egg. Go back. Go.
It's a giant chicken dog thing. Ah!
I got the egg. Go back. Run! Run!
Yeah, did you survive?
Yes. I mean, I'm alive.
I don't think so. Yeah, I got $2. Oh heck no! Yep, we're not going over there yet.
Yeah, I don't think so. What do we do with the egg?
Wait.
Put it in the box thing. That gives you money.
Bro, my freaking walkie-talkie thing keeps going off. And I keep seeing my boundary. I keep walking to it.
Alright, this thing you put it in.
Oh, I was inside that thing before.
Give me my backpack.
Get in.
Put it in. Wait, go inside that. Go inside that.
Right here.
He got big. He got big.
Am I black or something? Like, am I black or something, bro?
No. 252. We got 252 screws.
252. You want to do it again? Or should we do something else?
It respawned by now. Hey, let's go.
Let's do a different one, though.
I think there's one over here.
No, over
Here, I want to try.
Wait. Before we go.
Get a flashlight.
Give me a minute. Oh, crap. That was a wrench. There you go. I don't like it in the sand, though.
Turn your flashlight on. It's with the B button.
I threw it.
It's with the B button.
There you go. What's in here?
It's terrifying.
Oh.
Is there a monster here?
Bro, my hand is stuck. I'm scared. What's in here, bro?
I don't know.
The heck is in here?
Oh my gosh.
Do we gotta climb that?
Bro, I can't jump that high.
I think we have to go up there. Come on.
Here? Up here?
Come on.
It's better from here, I think.
I don't know. Let's do something else.
Sure.
Let's do the sea.
Where's your backpack?
I don't know. I don't really care. Let's go over
You
here.
hold things in your backpack. The point is to get money. We gotta get money.
Alright.
Hold
Give
my
me a second.
backpack, Hold my backpack.
Give me a second. Give me a second. I gotta get another one.
I'm gonna keep my backpack.
There you go.
I'm keeping my backpack right there. Make sure to watch it.
I'm gonna
Go inside the water. See what's in the water.
Turns out you
Die in the water.
So then we'll need like a boat or something.
can't get a boat.
There's something across
No,
there.
don't jump in, don't jump in, don't jump in!
I hear a noise every time I pass by it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, let's do sewers or something.
Bro,
Sewers take so long. And sewers is pretty hard. Wait, follow me, follow me.
Where are you? Oh.
Make sure not to step on any landmines, okay?
Okay. Ooh, what's that thing? No, I'm joking. Don't
is
kill
that?
me.
What is it?
No, 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 no. Don't you dare, bro.
Why? I'm gonna press it.
You're an idiot. Yo, you're an idiot, bro. Oh, nah. It gets yellow when you go. Oh. Why does it get yellow when I enter there?
Because spooky.
Please tell me there's no monsters in here.
There's not monsters, don't worry.
Chat.
There's just a
Who
bunch
could
of
have killed?
bananas.
Who could have killed one of those things? Can I eat it?
Put it in the backpack.
How do I put it in?
You open your backpack.
How do I open it?
I'll open it for you.
There you
You
go.
press the B button. Okay, put the backpack.
Is there nothing?
You don't want to go up there.
Well, I couldn't even if I wanted to. My left hand's broken.
What?
I'll tell you what's up there.
There. Keep my backpack safe.
Yo, chat. Should we steal his backpack? No. Oh, I meant we're gonna keep it safe.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
Oh, alright.
That's it. There's only bananas down here.
Yep, only bananas.
I stepped on mine. He's stealing my backpack.
I got your back.
Backpack. I didn't steal any bananas. Don't worry.
Wink, wink.
I only had like one in there.
Nah, you had like way more.
I mean, what? How would I know that? I mean, what?
It's your turn to go in there, buddy.
What are you talking about? We just made ourselves 130 bucks.
Let's go to the sewer.
No, we're not going to the sewer. We're going to the maze. That's what we're doing. We need flashlights.
Where's the maze?
I'll get flashlights.
Why do we need flashlights for the maze?
Because the maze is dark. Get your flashlight.
Bro, you chucked it halfway across the map.
No, I didn't. Oh, yeah, watch this. You want to see something cool? Oh, I don't have enough for it.
What? A crowbar thing?
No. You'll find
I know
out
when I have enough.
We just gotta make it past that thing.
What? The red light, green light monster?
Yeah. Go. Don't move. No,
I
you
know.
have to like let go of your hands. Like your hands can't be touching. Stop moving. Stop moving.
I know. Where'd you go? Stop moving.
This is where the loot is. Take all the good stuff and take all the bananas and stuff.
How do I open it?
Take all these important stuff. Like Coca-Cola and Stanley cups. Plunger. Look what I got. I got a plunger.
Chat, there's a ginormous banana.
Okay,
My
we gotta
diamond-
get going.
My big banana.
I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. What the? Who is here? Who is this?
Bro, who is this? Slinky, who is this?
I'll touch you.
What? You can't say that!
Oh, wait,
Alright, we gotta go. Come on, let's go.
Wait, how do I close my backpack?
Bro, hurry! He's gonna kill us!
Can see you.
Get over here! Don't touch the landmine!
Get out the maze.
Stay in the portal! Uh-oh.
Bro, my
Put your stuff in it!
I'm trying to open it.
Bro, who even is that? They just came in. They just came in the lobby.
900? Holy.
Wait, I have enough.
I have enough.
For
I
what?
got 896.
I have
I don't have enough.
945.
Bro, there's just this random guy here.
Yo, hello, you still here?
Is it Shine?
Uh.
That